All right, Sunday afternoon. I thought we were finished, and we got one more. No cooling. Let's go see what's going on. All right, so right as I was getting the screws out of it, I heard the death buzz. And uh-oh, the run cap Bandit has been here. Look at that. Well, if you just leave it in the box, I guess the cardboard will stop it from shorting out over here on the low voltage. That's one idea. Not so sure how long that cardboard is going to last. This is an outdoor environment. So, $40 by $5. See if this thing's bad. I sure hope it is. We sure can't put no compressors in on Sunday afternoon. So I was on my way home. All right, the fan was working, so let's read common against fan. 483. All right, common against hermetic. 6.77. I'm pretty sure that's not within range. Let's do it again. Common to hermetic. 6.77. That ain't gonna run. And let's try to find a bracket. Oh, they left the screw for the bracket. How about that? I guess that's, well, usually it would be down here. But they stuck it up there. Let's go see if we can find one. Got a USA. We're gonna stick on it here. And somewhere right in here to where the wires will reach. Alright, hopefully they'll reach there. Little train bracket we robbed off of a train unit. Gotta stay out of the way of this. This is the hot on that side. So the way they mount these things with the cap right here, they should at least put the common over here and the hot on that side. There's the brown. So I think that's, yep, that's common, as you can see. right there. But if we have to go grab a longer wire, we will. And it looks like we might need to. So that's easy enough. Put the fan on. The hermetic. And let's go get a longer common. Throw that in a box and use it for something else. We'll just get a longer one to go here. If we got a yellow one, we'll use a yellow one, but let's go see what we got. All right, so I actually did have a yellow one that I think is gonna be long enough. So we're gonna go on the common and right back to the top of the contactor where it was. A little bit of a dirty wire, but at least it's yellow. So it'll look correct. Dirty yellow. Wipe that thing off if I'd have noticed all that. All right, let's plug her back in and see what happens. That stupid plastic thing in there, right? And I hear the compressor. Feel the fan. She's in there snug. Let's put the door back on and go talk to the customer. All right, so it's up and running and cooling. And I showed them some pictures of all that. It looks to be more like cobwebs, spider webs than anything. Put that light on. For some reason, whatever it is, it really lights up the light really shines on it. You can see it's mostly like dog hair looking cobwebs. A little piece of it out. See if you can tell what that is. Something to do with one of these trees or something. Built up inside there, that's strange. But they're gonna have us do a full service on both units. I don't think the other one is really worth doing much to. But, you know, we do what people ask. And we take our marching orders and go to work. That thing looks like it's got the original motor in it. I don't know how old it is, but it is definitely older than the one we just worked on. No screws in the door. It's barely hanging. No screws at all in the door. Blade is right next to the compressor. Looks like the original motor. Yeah, that one, good candidate for a change out, but we're gonna do what they want done. And they have air for now.